Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about GK and GS for one-liners of all competitive examinations, which will be very helpful. Please check my playlist, you will find up to part 27. So this is we have part 28. So let us see exactly what has been given in our slides. Initially we have a jet engine works on the principle of, we knew that whatever the rocket or jet engine works on the principle of, that is law of conservation of energy, and we knew that Newton's, as per the Newton's third law, action and reaction takes place. Whatever the engines, jet engines, that is cryogenic engines, which are main principle are, that is conservation of energy. The economic planning is an essential feature of, that is socialist economy. Please remember, whatever the economic planning is an essential feature of socialist economy. Next we have Aryabhatta is credited with the invention of algebra. We knew that whatever the invention of zero has been done by Aryabhatta. On his name, the Aryabhatta satellite also made, that is credited with the invention of the algebra. AFMC, that is Armed Forces Medical College, which is located in Pune. So that is concerning to the whoever opt for the AFMC exam, they can directly go to the place for the training of women doctors. The rotation of the earth is the exact time needed for the one complete rotation, that is 23 hours 56 minutes and 4.09 seconds. Please remember, the earth rotates and as well as revolutes. We knew that the rotation of the earth is for the period of 23 hours 56 minutes and 4 seconds. This is one thing, whatever the exactly 24 hours it is not being rotated, whatever the time is left for every day, that will be added into the leap year, that is on 29th of February after every 4 years. The germs of diseases which enter into blood are destroyed by, whatever the germs which concerning to the disease directly enter into the blood are destroyed by, that is white blood corpuscles. Please remember, whatever the white blood corpuscles, these are the one which fight against the foreign body. In 1498 at Calicut, the Vasco da Gama landed in India. As you can see to the right, how exactly the picture has been given, the sea route to India by Vasco da Gama, how he has come from Lisboa. From there he had travelled up to Tome Principe, and further he had come through this by touching all the ports, and later he came directly to the Calicut. So from the Calicut, that is also known as now Kozhikode. The slogan Inqilab Zindabad was given by, that is Bhagat Singh. We knew that Inqilab Zindabad has given by the great Bhagat Singh. We have near about 800 plus question papers for various examinations. You can share it to your friends. If you want to join, you can join on Defense ICTA Telegram. You can directly go through whatever the pictures have been given in it. You can directly figure out. Next we have the Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea are linked by, that is Suez Canal. This is one thing we have to remember. Through this Suez Canal, maximum revenue be gained. So Red Sea as well as Mediterranean Sea is linked by Suez Canal. The last Viceroy of India, Lord Mountbatten, was the last Viceroy of India. If they ask who is the last Governor General of India, that was Rajaji Rajgopalachari. Now we have the Hirakund Dam is on the river Mahanadi, where the Hirakud Dam has been built. It is located in Odisha. The Victoria Terminus VT, as you can see to the right side how exactly the Victoria Terminus looks like. Here there is a Queen Victoria on top of it. So here the Victoria Terminus is located in Mumbai. At present it has been renamed as CST, means Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus. Now it has become CST or CSMT. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus, which is located in Bombay, that is in Maharashtra. A red rose, if seen through green light, will appear in which color? That will appear in the dark color. Next we have meteorology is the science of atmosphere and phenomena. This is one thing that is concerning to the science of atmosphere and phenomena, that is meteorology. Meteorology is different, that is concerning to the weather forecast. Meteorological department is separate. Here metro, that is concerning to the science of atmosphere and phenomena. So you remember whatever the option has been given. Meteorology, bronze is an alloy of copper as well as tin. So here one thing you have to remember, what are the bronze, that is concerning to the alloy of copper as well as tin. Next we have here whatever the meteorology, you make it a corrections, it's not metro, it's a meteorology, so make it as a meteorology department. Okay, now we have bronze, which is a mixture of alloy of copper as well as tin. If we have the brass, that is copper as well as zinc, so that is the two compounds. The mixture of sand and common salt can be separated by, as you can see to the right side, how the filtering the salt, sand, water mixture in a beaker it is given, so that can be easily filtered with the process of this filter paper. So you have to use that filter paper, the sand will be compiled in it, and the water as well as the salt can directly go inside the beaker. So this is one thing how exactly it has been given. So the mixture of sand and common salt can be separated by the process of filtration. Next we have the barometer is used for the measuring of atmospheric pressure. Whatever the pressure it has been measured in the barometer, what are the exact readings for that? That may be written in bar or poise. Next we have the birthplace of Subhash Chandra Bose. We knew that Subhash Chandra Bose was born in Cuttack, that is in Odisha. He had established or formed Azad Hind Fauj or Forward Bloc also. The remains of the Vijayanagara Empire are found in which place? They are found in Hampi. So whatever the remains, archaeological remains of Vijayanagara Empire, they are found in Hampi. Devi Saraswati is associated with the instrument. We knew that Saraswati Ma has got Veena in her hand. So that is the instrument what she is holding in her hand. Mohenjo-daro, that is also known as Mound of the Dead. So that Mound of the Dead as well as Mohenjo-daro and Harappa sites of Indus Valley civilization, which are located in which place? Now they are located in Pakistan. As you can see, Harappan sites in India and Pakistan where skeletons have been found. The discovery of the Rakhi Ghari necropolis is unique in a number of ways. This is one thing. State of Rakhi Ghari and skeletons of from the non-cemetery. Everything that has been given in the picture. You can just have a look. Next we have Dudhwa National Park is located in which place? That park is located in Uttar Pradesh. During the time of Akbar, Navaratnas were present. We knew that Akbar formulated the Navaratnas for the proper functioning of the kingdom. The Durand line that separates between Afghanistan as well as Pakistan, even that connects with the India as well. So whatever the Durand line that is between the Afghanistan as well as Pakistan. The natural satellite, as you can see, we have Saturn. The satellite Titan is concerning to Saturn. We knew that the moon for the Earth is it's a moon. The same manner for the Saturn, that is natural satellite, that is Titan. The logo of Reebok called, that is whatever the logo of the Reebok, as you can see the shoes or t-shirts of the Reebok, you will find three lines in that and a triangular shape, that is known as the spin vector. Please remember that is known as spin vector. Here you can see how exactly the solar system has got the moon. So Earth has got the moon and the mass, whatever the Phobos and Deimos. These are the two which we have got. Next we have everything, whatever has been given, you can directly go through. So Pluto, there is no more planet, the Pluto. Now Neptune has got Triton. So these are one thing you have to remember. I hope all these slides are very understandable. If you have any queries, you can directly message me or comment me. The country that written as the root of the all evil is, that is Vatican City. That is one thing we have to remember. Vatican City is also known as Holy See. So the country that was written as this is the root of all evils. That quotation has been given to this. Next we have the chemical name of aspirin. Acetyl salicylic acid is the chemical name of aspirin. Next we have the planet that has no satellite, that is Mercury, where there is no satellite for the Mercury. The Gulf Stream is a ocean current. As you can see how exactly the Gulf Stream looks like. It is one type of ocean current. Johannesburg is famous for what? That is famous for the gold mining. Now you message me where exactly the Johannesburg is located. Next we have pygmies are inhabitants of Africa. So whatever the pygmies we have, they are inhabitants of Africa. The highest mountain peak in India is, that is Kanchenjunga, but Mount Everest is not in India, it is located in Nepal. Next we have Garos are the tribes of Meghalaya. You can see to the right side how exactly the women wearing the traditional dress of Garos. So they are located in Meghalaya. Next we have Sumeshwar range of Bihar is, that is younger than others. This is one thing you have to remember. Sumeshwar range of Bihar is younger than others. The Damodar in Bihar flows along a rift valley. This is one thing, guys. The Damodar in Bihar flows along a rift valley. So this is known as Sar of Bihar, that is river Damodar. No, Sara of Bengal is river Damodar, Sara of Bihar is Kosi river. So this is my mobile number, guys. You can call me or message me if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS. I hope I am doing my best. I want you guys to share it to your friends. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.